FBI warns of new wave of scammers impersonating federal agents. A new scam trend is exploiting fear and authority, with fraudsters posing as federal agents to pressure people into handing over money or sensitive information. Scammers are becoming increasingly sophisticated, using data from breaches, social media, and public records to make their outreach convincing. Victims may receive calls, texts, or emails where the scammer knows their name, location, or other personal details, making the interaction feel legitimate. According to the FBI's Internet Crime Complaints Center, more than 1 million complaints were filed in 2025, with over 32,000 linked specifically to government impersonation scams, resulting in nearly $800 million in losses. Security experts, including those at Bitdefender, say these cases have sharply increased compared to previous years. Despite the added sophistication, these scams often follow a familiar pattern: an unexpected message, a sense of urgency, isolation from others, and a demand for money. The urgency is key, as it pushes victims to act quickly without verifying the situation. The most effective defense is skepticism. Any message that feels urgent, official, and involves money should be treated with caution. Instead of reacting immediately, individuals should independently verify the claim through official channels. It's important to remember that legitimate law enforcement agencies will never demand payment over the phone or request money via gift cards, cryptocurrency, or similar methods. If someone is pressured to act quickly on a financial request without proper verification, it is almost certainly a scam. Staying cautious and taking a moment to double-check can prevent costly mistakes.